in the next 5 years.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, on Thursday has clearly indicated that the 22 villages located in Block 2 areas falls under the jurisdiction of Assam State, and the state government of Meghalaya, led by the MDA government, has submitted the presentation to the Assam State government so that these 22 villages can be retransferred back to Meghalaya in the second phase of border talks which is going on. He also informed that in these few days, the harassment met by the people in border areas, which was done by the Assam police, the state government has taken the initiative to direct the Deputy Commissioner of the district to hold talks with the Deputy Commissioner of Assam to settle down the matter at the earliest.
Kat pra plus saw nakadawi ay kalis sa tisya Assam. Bakalis kolong bakani kada hapa ke blok 2. Habang blok 2 kamut hap sa Assam. Ngimday basu bakla ta nama don ki basu bakla ki ong jaj pangila pha ay kalis sa Assam kamut pa hap ni kala. Kampadai gumta. Kani kadang hap ha ke jingkren jungi kadang yaj. Bat bahabangi ya kren ke jingkren ndai bangi ong don ke differences, ndai bat ong bangi don ke dispute.
The Directorate of Horticulture has facilitated